babies, it's your girl Sash. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Go and watch some of my previous videos to get familiar with me. So today I'm happy to be partnering with UniceHair. They sent me this beautiful 7x5 lace wig. It's giving. Of course, you guys realize I'm trying a different color because I'm a black girly. Like, one thing for sure, you guys will hardly ever see me in colored wig. This is my first time trying a color like this, and I can tell you that I am in love. Like, it's giving cutesy. It's definitely giving fall vibe though, but perfect for the holiday season. You can rock this for a birthday occasion, going into the New Year's. If you're interested in trying a new color or a different style, this will be a perfect. But before we get into the details, I'm going to do a quick installation of this wig, and then I'm going to give my overall review at the end. Before we get into the installation, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.
Riding dirty in the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch it down kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shining pearly. City boys that she fine and pretty, and the country boys that she fine and pretty. Yeah, my pockets think it's green as curry, and the ladies know as soon as they see my jewelry. Being fresh to death is a crime. I think it's time for me to see the jury. Millionaires, they on the grind. Also like me, it's hard to find. I ain't really impressed. That's unless it's about some dollars. Really no need to call you fine. Know you be hearing that all the time. Watching you do your step. Yep, it's going down.
Don't let her
just wanna take you there. He don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips. And I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gonna stop us. Ain't no one gonna stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your vein. Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want.
Okay, babies, that's the end of the installation video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And did y'all see how I ate this hair up? I love the fact that it came pre-cut, as you guys saw when I was doing the review of the wig before the installation. It also came pre-customized. Love it. This is perfect also if you want to wear a wig glueless. You want to be able to take it on and off. Baby, this wig is ready, like beginner friendly, on the go, and I love that. It's giving bye-bye knots, what lace, like this is eating. The color is different and I do think it complements my skin. I'm a type of person that do like try new things, and changing something I take a little while to adapt to, but I like this. I would definitely get this in a longer inch though, but it's still giving, it's so cutesy. Yeah, it's cute, and I love the fact that this color really complements my complexion. The curl, the quality of the hair is really good. I haven't seen any shedding as yet, which I really love. All the information about this will be down in my description box, so you can go ahead and check it out. You can also check out UniceHair to see if there's anything on the site you'll be interested in, because baby, they're gonna get you together, no questions. Clocking, okay? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, show me some love in the comment section, and comment some brown hearts, okay?